In today's video, we're going to do another unboxing. Welcome back to the Monster Rabbit YouTube channel. If you missed the last video, the news is out. I've got my own t-shirts available now at themonsterrabbit.com. This is a package from my good friend Kevin White, who is actually on the podcast very recently, so depending on what time you're watching this, you can go and check him out on the podcast. I'll leave a link in the description below. He is from Greenville, North Carolina, and he sent me something and we're going to unbox it right now. Again, just more people have been in touch after seeing the YouTube videos that I've done, and they've just said, I've got something for you, I've got this, I've got that. And so it is slowly coming together. From people watching this YouTube channel, we are slowly collecting more parts and things. There are still some things that nobody has yet, like the rear bumper and stuff like that. So hopefully we can complete this truck in the near future. But anyway, oh man, this looks good. This looks awesome. Can you guess what that is? This is a tan dash cover. Look at that, signed by Kevin White. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, this feels so much better than mine as well. This is a dash cover from his 1978 Inari Silver Rabbit, and I'll put a photo just here so you can see. Thank you so much, Kevin. This means a hell of a lot, because it's slowly becoming less black and more tan, which is exactly what we want. Let's go ahead and get the old black one out and put this new lovely, oh, it feels so nice. Thank you so much. Let's get this in. So here's the black one, that covered in dog hair, and just it's like been burnt. Look, it's like crusty. Can you see that? It's like crusty, and just look at that. Nobody wants that. That's going straight in the bin. But yeah, let's get that out. Now, as you can see, this dash is cracked. We've got a giant hole just here, and it's just cracked. It looks like someone tried to repair it once. It's got several cracks. I don't know if this is salvageable. I don't know. That was my initial plan. Like, there's a screw in here. My initial plan was, because I can't get a tan dashboard over here, and it would be very expensive to ship over, I was gonna refurbish it and use that SEM or SEM product to spray it like a color that matches the tan. So I'm not sure that that is an option right now, but nonetheless, we've got a tan dash cover. Now, the dash covers weren't a factory thing, as far as I'm aware. I've spoken to multiple people, and a lot of people have said they might not even have been a dealership option. They might have been like an aftermarket thing that companies would have made to protect the dash, because over in America the sun is very harsh in some states, and so that UV coming down and hitting that dash would melt it and crack it and all the rest of it. So to combat that, these dash covers were made, and you don't see them in the UK. But it's something that I definitely wanted, just because this is an American vehicle, and in America, not just for rabbits as well, but in America you would have these dash covers on multiple other vehicles, not just the rabbits. So I just wanted to again have this to keep that American thing alive. I believe that these dash covers are held down by like little Velcro tabs. So what I'm going to have to do is perhaps, you can see there on the dash there's a Velcro tab there. What do you guys think? I think it looks quite nice. Like, kind of looks like a piece of your living room is in your car with you. I like it. And this looks absolutely brand new, so thank you so much for donating this to me, Kevin. I really appreciate it. And like I said, guys, Kevin was actually on the Monster Rabbit podcast literally last week, and that episode will be coming up depending on when you're watching this video, but again, I'll leave links in the description. We had a lovely conversation. We could have talked for hours and hours, and he is such a nice guy. So I'll also put Kevin's Instagram in the show notes below, so you can click on his Instagram, give him a follow, give him some love, because like I said, he is such a lovely person. Here in the UK, I don't think we got dash covers. Please do educate me. If there's anybody out there in the UK that has one, please do comment below and let's start a discussion. Let's figure this out, like where they came from, who's selling them, who started. Like, I believe you can pick these up from like Etsy and eBay and stuff like that. So let's start a conversation in the comment section, and just, if anybody wants these, like, please, if someone knows, let us know in the comments below. But I'm very happy with this. This looks so cool, and it's going to look even better when the dash itself will be eventually tan. So you can kind of see it coming together, right? It's slowly getting there, man. This is so cool. And again, Kevin, thank you, but also thank you so much to everybody else who has sent me bits and bobs. That might be a UK saying, bits and bobs, I don't know. Thank you so much if you have contributed to this vehicle, to sending me parts and stuff. I really do appreciate it. It's definitely coming along. And I talk about it in pretty much every video and every podcast. The Mark 1 community, the people in there are so kind. There's so many just beautiful souls and beautiful people in that community, and I'm so like happy to be a part of the community. Albeit like most of the rabbit community obviously are in the US, but still, there's little old me here in the UK just trying to get parts to complete this little truck, and I'm just so overwhelmed with the response from people that have seen these videos, that have heard my call. I just feel so lucky to be part of such a beautiful community. Let's leave it at that. So just a tiny little note. I am looking for the rear bumpers to match the front. So as you can see, I am bumperless on the back, but not only am I bumperless, I actually don't even have the holes for a bumper on the back. So I'm gonna have to drill those out. Isn't that wild? Has anybody else seen that? From factory, no holes, but no, I would love a set of rear bumpers to match the front. I know exactly what they are. People have offered me black ones here in the UK, but there is no chrome ones like to match. So that's what I'm after. If anybody has them, I know they might be one of those really heavy items to post to the UK, so it might be one of those luxury items that I get in the future, but I just want them on the truck. It would sort of complete it front to back, you know. But we're getting there. Thank you so much for watching yet again another little unboxing video of just things that people send me. I really appreciate it. And of course, like I said, if you want to get yourself the original Monster Rabbit t-shirt, then you can head to themonsterrabbit.com, and we've got t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeves, tank tops, because summer is on its way. I know it doesn't look it, but summer is definitely on its way. So we've got all of those for you guys, all on themonsterrabbit.com. Also, remember, I've still got some 1980 Rabbit sun visors in black. If anybody wants them, just to have. Like, they're not in amazing condition, but if you want them, they're yours for free. Just pay postage, get in touch. Thanks again for watching the video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're brand new. Here it is. Obviously don't click the screen, you want to go a little bit lower and click the subscribe button there. Please don't comment me saying that you want this black cover, because you don't. This is awful. This is such a this material is like the texture of this dash cover is like a rock solid tissue that you would find in a young person's bedroom. I'll leave it at that. But you definitely don't want this. It was well overdue replacing it, so you don't want that. You don't want that. Thank you again to Kevin for donating me this tan dash cover. It is my new favorite thing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.